Okay, so, for those of you just joining us, I don't know if you could hear that or not. That was a tree in the woods, and yes, I heard it. This is winter in New England. We've just had an amazing ice storm. And that tree, oh boy, I don't know if you can see it or not. Wow, the whole thing is shaking. I'm out in the yard and trees have fallen everywhere, and they are weighed down with tons of ice and just coming down. Branches and big parts of trees. You can see this one here. That lost a big part of it right here. And another one just went down. You probably can't see this, but if you listen, you can hear the cracking all around you. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Or should I say heard anything like it in all my life. I don't know if you can see this over at the barn. There is a branch that went speared into the roof. That was big. There goes another one. And, yeah. So I think I'm going to go inside. Because this feels like the movie Lost, all of a sudden. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope something comes out of this.